Guys, in this video, we'll be looking at how to change the background of our Canva page. In our previous lessons, we changed the background of this particular page through this button here, where you can change the background to any color of your choice, black. So right now, let's look at how background work. Background is more like adding another element behind your page. Okay, so from the Canva side navigation, you can scroll down to your background right here. So we click on background. So this particular background gives us leverage to either add colors. Mind you, you must select the page or any element you want to add a background to. So you can select the element, you can add the color, use the color as backgrounds. So here you can have a pre-formatted color set, or you can work with landscape as your background, patterns, gradients, abstract, food, textures, flowers, nature, perhaps this gives you all the results. Okay, so let's see how each of these works. So let me use a landscape as my background. So let's say click all. So I have a lot of landscapes. So right here, you can see a lot of landscapes you could use as a background. So, okay, preferably let me get this one that makes, okay, let's use this one. Okay, so you now see that it replaces this particular image as the background of this page. That's cool, right? Okay, so let's try something else, not the landscape. You can do something like this for the patterns. Let's see how the pattern works. Okay, let me duplicate this page, copy and paste. So let me change the background of this one with a pattern. So you have several patterns here, so you can decide which pattern do I want or do I want to work with. So I can use this pattern here, and this pattern replaces this one. Interesting. So let me take the copy and paste the page. Come back here, I close it. So let's use gradients. You know, gradients is more like combining two or more different colors together. So we have a gradient here, we have this. So let's do this. Oh, that's awesome. Let's do this. That's cool. Yes. But I think I would prefer to do this instead. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so let me copy and paste this page again and select this page. Okay, I close this one. So let me replace the background of this one with an abstract. So I could say CO, so I can have a different abstracts. Yeah. So let me do this instead. Yo. So you see, our design is making sense. So even with backgrounds, we could just like get something awesome. So you can try this for other backgrounds or categories. Like you can try to work with the food, with the text. Okay, let's do for textures and food and see what happens. So I select this guy here. I come to textures. I say CO. So we have several textures around here. So you can see that most of these background repeats in the different categories. Yeah. Oh, so textures, cool. So this is how you can change background on a Canva page. Thank you and see you in our next lesson.